Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the app and iOS are current so settings behave predictably. Once done, open Hotstar and confirm you're signed into the account you want to change. Next, navigate directly to Profile and tap Subscribe or Manage Subscription. This gets you to the in-app options that control ad-free access. Do this immediately. It's the fastest route to stop ads officially. If you prefer system ad filtering, leave the app open and we'll set that next. Now decide. The official, reliable method is upgrading to Premium or VIP inside the app. Select the plan and confirm App Store billing. Alternatively, install a reputable DNS-based ad blocker app from the App Store. These create a local VPN/DNS profile that filters requests before ads load. Once installed, enable the provided profile in settings under VPN and network or the app setup screen. Make sure the blocker is active, then return to Hotstar and test playback to see finish by force quitting Hotstar and relaunching so subscription status or DNS changes take effect. If you upgraded, confirm the purchase receipt in your Apple ID subscriptions. If you installed a blocker, restart the phone or reinstall the blocker if ads still appear. As a last step, delete and reinstall Hotstar to clear cached ad flags. If ads continue after these steps, contact Hotstar support with your account details and receipt. That usually resolves region or billing anomalies quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.